Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can basically, just a moment, print from Microsoft OneNote. So how we do that? Just open the OneNote app and navigate to the page you want to print. Now go here to the file at the top left uh, bar right here, file tab, click on it, and you will see down here uh, print. Now you can print directly or you can print preview. So if you click print preview, you will see how it will look like everything. Here you can also set the page size, whichever you prefer, something like that. Now you can also put to portrait or landscape, doesn't matter how. It's just up to you how you like it. Now you can go back to the print and click printing. Right here you will need to select the correct printer which you are using in your household or at your work. Then again you will set up here orientation, how many copies, color mode, print to file, on or off, collection, and that's basically it. When you are done, just hit right here this button print, and this is it. This is how you can print from your OneNote directly. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.